If you're like me, you love a good promotional sale, and there's nothing like scoring a great deal on Udo. Anyways, here at Stealthywood, we want to replicate that feeling and that same joy to our customers by offering discounts, coupons, and other promotions on our products. Promotions not only encourage customers to buy items from us, they also attract new customers to our business by tempting them with great deals. And promotions with limited availability entice our customers to pull the trigger on their potential purchase now before they miss out and the deal is gone. No matter how you slice it, promotions are a proven way to organically grow revenue. So let's jump into our stuff on the database so I can show you just how easy it is to set up promotions with Udo Sales. So for this video, we're going to focus on discounts. But we have other tutorials as well that take a closer look at coupons, loyalty programs, and other types of promotions. So check those out as well. Now enough chit-chatting and let's jump in. Once again, we find ourselves in our configuration sales dashboard. Now from here, we're going to navigate up here to configuration and settings. Once the thing is a quick loading, you want to make your way over here to the pricing section. Now we'll want to make sure that the discounts, loyalty, and gift card option is activated as you can see with ours. Our feature is already selected just to save you time. So if you need to activate it, just click on the little checkbox. Then go ahead and hit save over here and you're locked in. Once that you've done that, you'll probably be ready to join us in our magical promotions journey we're about to embark on. So speaking of, let's get things started by going up here to products, then discounts and loyalty. So here on the discount and loyalty page, we'll find a few promotional programs that I've already set up, but let's click new to make another one. Alright, on the program form, we'll start by giving this a name. How about we create a 15% discount for our customers? So in that case, we'll title this 15% off orders. Moving forward, below the program name, you'll notice that we have a program type. And if we click that field, we actually see a bunch of different options that we have. We can do coupons, loyalty cards, and a lot of other things as well. Now, up at the top, we have coupons. This is used to generate specific coupon codes that we can send to individual customers. Up next, we have what I like to call next order coupons. That when a customer sends specific coupons, they can use them on their next order with us. But don't worry, like I said, there's a separate tutorial where I teach you how to configure coupons in general and in greater detail as well. So be sure to check that out. Then there's another option which is the loyalty cards, and that allows you to set up a loyalty program for customers. But again, I go over that in another video. Now moving on promotions, that is a very general option that is typically used if our intent with this program doesn't exactly fit the criteria of any of those other specific options. Next is the discount code, which is the option we use when we want our customer to enter a code at checkout in order to redeem the discounted benefits of a promotion. And lastly, we have the buy X get Y option. This option is used when we want to give away free products with any type of order, like buy 3 cabinets get a 4th cabinet free. For this video, we're actually going to go with discount code because all of those will be covered at some point as well. Now we're going to leave the currency field as is and direct our attention over here to the right side where we can see the validity period. In this field, I'm going to select the start date and the end date. And I'm going to pick today as my start date and February 7 as my end date. So we've already picked February 7, which is next week. Or if you actually never want it to expire, you actually have to just leave this blank and it will be valid indefinitely. At this point beneath that, we can actually choose to limit the usage of this promotion to a certain number of customers. So let's say for this one, I only want 420 usages. Now up next, if you're working in a multi-company environment, you can make sure that this promotion only applies to a specific company here inside of the company field that I've hovered over. Or you can also leave it blank and it will apply to all of your companies in your database. Below that, we have a few other options with the available on field, where we can choose whether we want this promotion to be available on the sales app, website, and point of sales. Obviously, you would need to have these specific applications installed for these options to be available in this field. So please be sure to keep that in mind. I think it's best that we keep that box checked. Okay, everything at this point looks pretty good. Now let's take a look at the rules and our rewards tab down here at the bottom. In this section, we could customize the conditional rules and rewards related to this promotion. If our customer used this code right now, it basically means that their purchase will receive a discount, which is nice and all, but I think we can fine tune this a bit more. So in our case, we're actually going to click on the conditional rules again. I want to edit this one, so let's change this from promo code and a bunch of numbers to this. And there, that's better. You also notice that there aren't any conditions set right now. What if we make it so they get a 15% discount with a purchase of 100 pesos or more? Well, in our case, we want that to be 100 right there, and now it's set up. And let's exclude tax. We want to be making sure we get our profit margins. Now down here in the Among section, we can choose specific products or product categories that would need to be purchased to count towards this minimum purchase price. But personally, I want this promotion to apply to all of our products. So we're actually just going to leave this all blank. Okay, I'm happy with how everything looks at this point. So let's go ahead and click Save and Close. And now the reward section. And this is very important, so we're going to click on the existing one. Okay, for the reward type, we have the option to give a discount, a free product, free shipping, and that type of stuff. We are working with a discount, but let's talk about some of the other ones. So for the reward field, now the reward for this promotion is set to 10 on specific products, which is great and all, but we also have the option to give them a discount on their entire order or the cheapest product on their order as well. Actually, while we're here, I'll fill you in on a little trick if you ever wanted to do a promotion where the customer gets their cheapest item free. Here's how you do it. You select discount up here, right? And then you want to change it over here to 100% on your cheapest product. This is just one of the many ways you can customize promotions with Odoo. But for this example, we're going to go with a more straightforward approach, a 15% discount on the entire order. So see right there, it's perfect. Now to the right, you'll notice that we have the option to enter a maximum discount, which would put a limit on how large of a discount a customer could get as a monetary amount. We also have the option to add in a custom description, as you can tell down here, and this will make it visible to your customer when they make their purchase. So it's a good idea to put stuff there. So here we are on the Stealthy Wood website. Now let's select something to buy. So we're going to buy this large cabinet because it ends in 20. We're going to add that to the cart. You're gonna go to the cart and you see the section over here that says discount code. So we're about to have or to type in the discount code that we did earlier right here. And this time it will save us 15% on our order just like that. Say goodbye to the 15% of that total because we just used our newly configured discount code. And that's how you quickly and easily set up a discount code with Odoo Sale.